With sublimation, your paper choice is vitally important. Now we stock a range of papers all with different uses. For instance, if you were printing glass and ceramics, our style paper would be ideal, or even our Versa paper. The style paper offers a slow ink release, which is ideal for surfaces like these. However, if you're doing textiles, you'll need a high ink release, at which point you'll want to use something like our fabric papers or our platinum papers. These offer a 95% ink release that gives a fantastic result on textiles. If you're looking for one paper that does all, we only stock one, and that would be our platinum papers. That is our miracle paper and is the best in the range. All of these papers are available to purchase now on our website.